In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to add timestamps in YouTube, what a timestamp is, how to make timestamps for your video, and then how to use them when you're watching other videos. This tutorial will help students and teachers create timestamps in YouTube videos that allow users to jump to a specific time in the video so they can view only the part of the content that is applicable to what they are doing. So I already have a YouTube video opened up and I am on the edit page on the basic. So, as we see, we have the title up here, which is basic functions associated with Trello, and then a description down here. So you can write what you want in your description, but to make a timestamp, all you do is type in the time, so 1:33, and then add a space. Now you can put what your description is. How to add a card. And now I'll delete this one to show you that it works. And then press save. Now, when we go to view the video, and in this tutorial, all you do to access the timestamp, you go down to the description and then people will see the description for what is happening at that time. And then they can press on the timestamp and it will take them to that section. For instance, let's look how to add people to a specific task. So from here, and now it brings us it shows to that portion of the video. As you can see, it jumped forward to that time. So that is how you create timestamps in YouTube.